be kind of like a day in a life. Like right now, everything's just so slow paced right now. I do want to post more or edit more and stuff because I'm kind of getting bored of these slow, it's big videos, but they're just slow paced, and I do like tutorials and stuff, and it takes a lot of time to edit and get it right. And so I just want to put up videos to where I can connect with people, especially my audience. Make sure you subscribe. But right now, everything is so dirty in my kitchen, and I'm gonna clean up and then maybe give some more updates, or maybe tell y'all how mom life has been. The main course, the ham, is in the oven. I want to make some green beans and scalloped potatoes. Big sis wanted to feed the baby brother, so that bought me some time. Even though my husband's having ham, I really want some chicken. What I'm going to do is have chicken quesadillas. Also, anybody ever feel like scalloped potatoes, you could just make it with regular potatoes? We keep getting scalloped potatoes, but I'm like, I could probably make this myself, because all it is dehydrated potatoes. I have potatoes, and so all I would have to do is just slice them up and boil them with cheese and dairy product stuff. So much oil. I probably should have wiped up all the oil before I cooked on the stove. But I'm just going to say a little bit more about me, especially like my health right now. My health, I feel like, is at its best right now. Before I got pregnant in November of last year, like, I found out I was pregnant this year in January, and I had my baby in September. And I was 189 pounds before I knew I was pregnant, which was crazy. Like, that was the heaviest I've ever been. I've never weighed 200 pounds. I've never gotten close to 200 pounds, but that was the closest I've ever been. And I was almost like in a depression because I wanted to eat healthy and stuff, but I honestly at that point didn't know how to be healthy. And when I got pregnant, honestly, I feel like that kind of saved me a lot because I had gestational diabetes. We're going to add more protein to mine. But I didn't have gestational diabetes with my daughter, or at least they didn't diagnose me with it. And I think I got off scot-free because at the time I was diagnosed with being diabetic, and I was keeping track of my sugars really well, and I think that's why I didn't get diagnosed with gestational diabetes, because I was so on top of it at the time. And after I got pregnant, since I thought I didn't have gestational diabetes, I thought I wasn't diabetic, so I got off of that diet and started drinking Cokes again and stuff like that, and I just thought, it's fine, it's whatever. But now that I am done with this pregnancy, I should have never done that. I should have stuck with it, and that's what I'm doing now. And I was at 189. Now I'm at 159. I'm 30 pounds down from what I weighed before pregnancy. And I don't think women should be shamed if they bounce back or not or whatever. I was on a strict diet. I worked very hard, and it was not easy because during pregnancy I was miserable. I felt like I couldn't eat what I wanted. But now, after being diagnosed with gestational diabetes and stuff, I want to stick with it because I feel better, I look better, and I can wear more of my clothes. I still have clothes from high school that I'm like fitting back into, and it's crazy to me. And I don't want to stop it. And that's another thing I would like to do, is do more like health videos, or like videos sharing that kind of journey. I want to get down to 150 because I think that was my goal a long time ago, was to get down to 150 and just see how I feel. And I think I want to try to get down to like 140 if anything. So the average weight of a woman in the US is like 175, but honestly I want to be lower than that. But I don't want to be too skinny. I don't want to be skinny. I don't want to be thin. I just want to be healthy, and I want to be able to maintain it. And so that's where I'm at right now, health-wise. I don't want to worry about the numbers on the scale, which right now I'm just keeping track of the numbers right now to make sure that I'm not losing anything anywhere or gaining anything anywhere. Losing meaning like I'm not losing the sight of my health. I want to continue with my health, and sometimes, even though we don't like the numbers, they do help to make sure that we are on the right track. Okay, almost done. I love caramelized onions. Okay, I don't know if I'm going to be able to fit all of this. This is not really a quesadilla. It's more like it's turning into a tostada if anyway. I'm going to add more cheese on top and then just make it a flat. Something happened because my husband's like, saying sorry to my toddler. This is what it's looking like. Let's see about that crunch. Oh yeah. Nice and crispy. I accidentally took the first bite off camera, but it's okay. It's okay. But as you can tell, it is very busy around here. I am busy doing other things around here, and I do not want to leave everybody hanging, and I still want to make content. It's just what I'm doing right now. It takes forever. I hope this was a good update for y'all, because I am just trying to film what I can and when I can, and just, having fun on here. So I hope to see y'all. I don't know how frequently I'll be posting on here. I'll see y'all in the next video. Subscribe, and we'll just see what we do in the next video. Bye.